how to withdraw money on Upside app. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So simply open your app over here and click on your profile over here on the right side or the top right side. By doing that, our menu will appear over here on the left side. You can see here that we have a cash out option. Simply select the cash out option and you will be able to see here your balance, of course, and the different cash out options that we have. So whether it's your bank account or there's different platforms available such as Google Pay and Walmart options over here. So simply navigate to the specific platform that you want to cash out and select them. For example, we're going to use bank account as an example over here. So it's going to ask us to select a bank account. So if you have any selected bank account before, it will allow you to select that. But for us, let's click on link new bank account, click on continue, and simply connect your bank account that you want to cash out from. After entering those information and after doing some confirmations, as you can see here, you should then be able to cash out a specific amount of money from your cash app or your Upside app. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.